Okay, I'm bathing now. Okay. But I don't watch none of these. And I have a shirt. Nice. I never. I'll wear that. No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't. Will not wear that, Hannah. Wait,
Yeah, I'll put it for you.
Okay, this thing. I don't know what this is. A couple around here. Cool! Cool! Oh gosh. Oh yeah, let me see that.
You're tearing the box up, Ariana. You're just ripping it right open. Well, don't.
Wait, what's this? Oh gosh, that scared me. Nice.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know what this is. Okay. I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh. I didn't see anything. Harry Potter, nice. I'd watch Harry Potter. And maybe this. I don't watch none of these shows. Oh, what is this? I like this the best. I like this the best. I'm a unicorn. Yeah. 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 Go down. Go down. Going downtown. Yeah. Going down. I'm a unicorn. Yeah. 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 My phone fell. And I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna bring this insane. Yeah. This is awesome.
Three boys down. And three down.
I don't know what this. I don't know what the heck is this. And what's this? Oh, okay, but right. What? This is like you can't see him.
Make that three. Looks like Logan cranked himself again this year. Yeah. There, all done. I'm a doctor. I can fix this. Oh, what color do you want? Oh, I don't know. Okay. Bye.
How do you put this back?
Some saline drops to soothe my itchy and irritated eyes.
Logan, have you ever thought of becoming a doctor? Because you look and talk like a doctor.
Oh, he's always wanted to be a doctor. So what? Did you know that daily 20-minute walk increases weight loss, eyesight, and youth?
This is the pen.
I've got just the thing.
Oh gosh.
Just try them and give them some topical cream for the originals.
Yeah, that'll work too. Kelly!
the diary. Diary. I saw this.
Well played. Let's end it now while it's even.
Oh, I remember the one with the snake in it. Giant snake.
Gotta stop.
I know what they are.
Here at RCM CBT Global at Sanuai, we have a strict no pranking policy. Can't understand you, Gustavo,
I
because
don't know what this is.
which is why I'm going to stay here and help you stop your pranking ways.
I don't know what is it. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just got this. What is this for? What am I this for? I don't know. Something I'm gonna do. Just a second. This one. It's a little long, but that's okay.
Are you kidding? I am in magazine heaven. I just went here to get my feet a facial.
So that's the new unboxing.